How to install incompatible apps on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can install the incompatible apps on Android. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to download the incompatible apps on Android, you just need to simply open up your main settings of your device. After that, simply go to the search bar and search for install unknown apps, and the settings will appear on the screen. So you just need to tap on the special access of install unknown apps. After tapping on it, you'll be able to see a bunch of options here. So you can simply see here the install unknown apps at the fifth last option. Just simply tap on it. And from here, you just need to tap on the app from where you want to download the incompatible app in your device. So let's say Chrome is that. So I'm just going to tap on Chrome and enable this option. Same goes for other apps as well. If you want to download any apps from other apps, you may just turn on this option if it is not allowed, and get back to settings and just follow the steps. So therefore, by following this method, you can install unknown apps on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.